In this video, we will look at why you might generate a Microsoft 365 message trace and how to generate a message trace. Usually, a message trace is generated if you are working with the support team to resolve an issue, or you are troubleshooting email deliverability issues with Microsoft 365 mailboxes. It traces emails through Exchange Online based on defined criteria, for example, an email address, date range, delivery status, or message ID. Once you generate the message trace, you can send it to the support team to investigate it further. Now we will look at how to generate a message trace. Open the Exchange Admin Center. Log in with your Microsoft 365 admin credentials. Within Mailflow, select Message Trace. Select Start a Trace. To search for emails from a particular sender, enter the sender's email under Senders, or enter a recipient's email under Recipients. Select a time range to search. Configure any extra search options under Detailed Search Options. You can enter a message ID to locate a specific message. A message ID can be found in the message header. In Report Type, select Extended Report. Enter a title for the message trace report. Enter an email address to which a notification message will be sent when the trace is complete. Extended traces can sometimes take several hours to complete. You can check the progress from the Downloadable Reports section on the Message Trace homepage. This example email displays the message trace requested. Select here to download the report. Check the report in the Downloads folder. This is a sample of the extended message trace.